This is a product I haven't seen before. It's to hold your bed sheets in place, but instead of being just like little mini suspenders that connect underneath with elastic, it actually has these pieces of plastic that go under the corners of your mattress, and then there's some things that snap your sheet to that. Right, so in the box you get 4 of these guys, which go in the 4 corners of your bed. You know, so that's where all the size of the box comes from. So on the corner of each of these, on both sides, they have these little grippy things. The sheet goes over it, and then this little guy here pinches your sheet in between it, and so that keeps your sheet from moving. And they just stay permanently underneath your mattress. It's kind of a bonus item. They give you this plastic sheet stuffer that you use to stuff sheets under your bed. So let's give these guys a shot for holding sheets in place. Alright, this is the current state of our fitted sheet. And I am using those little elastic sheet grippers on all 4 corners on this guy. But that's what it looks like with the sheet grippers. Alright, so this is what they look like at the corners before you put the sheets on. So my mattress is pretty thick, so I don't have a lot of extra sheet to tuck. I'm not certain if this sheet tucker is helping me out much here. Alright, so that's what this guy looks like with these plastic things in place. So there's the outline of the grippy thing. Put this in and push. It snaps in there, so you know the sheet's not moving from that point. Now I have a footboard here, and so that could potentially pose some issues because I have to get my hand down in here to get that in place, which is doable in my particular situation, but it's hard to get the right amount of leverage. There we go, I got snapped in place. So yeah, this footboard here is a little bit getting in my way, so I can push the mattress and maneuver things, and well, I just dropped it, so like I say, it gets in the way a bit here. Now, on the other hand, when I was doing the elastic snappy things, like kind of little mini suspenders for sheets, I would have to lift the entire corner of the mattress up to get the thing on the bottom. So I had to put some effort in for the other system too. Alright, I think that's clipped in. If not, this thing's holding it in anyways. Now, the way my headboard is set up, I believe there's a gap there. So I think I'll just be able to reach down in the gap, and once I get it centered properly, put it in place. There we go. So it takes a little practice to do it by feel. Alright, this is what my fitted sheet looks like. These guys aren't it. Alright, so comparing this to my previous solution, obviously it's bulkier, it's plasticier. It may last longer because eventually this elastic degrades. Speed of installation, I think these guys are slightly faster, not counting the initial time putting the plastic things in, but just snapping the little dog paws on top of them. I think these are just a little bit faster, but maybe after I've done that a few times, it'll be pretty comparable to time. Cost-wise, these are pretty inexpensive, so, you know, I think these guys are going to win on cost. The advantage I see those guys is they're not moving, you know, they're locked to a fixed point, whereas these guys, you know, they kind of shuffle around a little bit. You have to make sure you stretch them far enough while you're putting them on to get enough tension on the sheets. So these guys may hold the sheets better, but they were doing an okay job. So all in all, they seem to work fine. I think it's more kind of a personal preference of the style you like better here.